One of the reasons I started this YouTube channel was to share videos of all the car meets that me and my friends would go to. It then turned into videos of us working on our own cars and just goofing off on them. I've had the pleasure of owning and driving a few nice cars in my time too. Had a Mark 6 Golf R, Mark 6 GLI, Mark 6 Golf TDI, and now I currently drive a Stage 2 Audi A3 TDI, which I will eventually make a video on, but right now we're going to focus on what my cousin just got. Because the car is from 1994, there's going to be problems. Valve cover gasket's leaking, the paint isn't in the best condition, there's a couple dents, and one of the sway bar links is broken in the rear. But we're going to address all that stuff and do some minor maintenance on it.
Look at this thing, like I can't even, my freaking hand is massive.
Stuff is gonna break.
Nothing's broken except for the control arm. Not control arm. I wouldn't like to drive if you have a broken control arm.
You can't drive it if it has a broken control arm.
Oh, yes. Help.
Ooh, okay.
Dude, this thing is pretty freaking clean. Man, that's pretty clean for almost 200k miles, man. Oh, cold rock punch. I bet you this is gonna be nice and hot. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna lie. No, those things were solid on there. They were frozen on there, basically.
Bolt is pretty much new. I think they replaced the hardware on it, not gonna lie. This is way too clean.
Look at this thing.
Whoa, she's hot. Oh yeah. See if you can find that guy with the turbo Miata. Whoa.
It feels so much better.
Oh my god, that's insane.
There's
dude.
no body roll. Wow.
Alright, hold up. Let me come in this corner hard.
Okay. Dude, what in the world?
It doesn't
this
body
is
roll
insane,
anymore.
Dude.
It's like I can drift it. I mean, as much as I don't want to.
Yeah.
But, oh, dude, it actually feels drivable.
Oh my god.
The difference is insane.
That is.
I mean, we were driving with a broken sway bar, though.
The sway bar end link.
Yeah, with the end link was totally shot. And so, like that, what was it, 30 bucks?
The sway bar end links?
Oh, no,
30.
the whole thing.
Oh, it was like 155 for the.
Oh, what a difference it made.
For the sway bar, the Ibach one, and then that's insane.
Well, let's see if we can find that guy with the turbo Miata. I know he lives somewhere. Here he is. This is where he lives.
Ooh, that's a nice Miata. That's exactly what color.
That's exactly what you have to do.
Oh yeah. All right.
But it's turbo and it's nice. Hard top.
Those are exactly the wheels I want, man.
Those are nice.
Should I do that red color?
Ooh. That's a nice respray though.
Yeah.
That is a really nice respray.
I'm gonna paint this whole thing nicely. Oh, look at that! It's a freaking GTS, dude.
Bro, it's a GTS dude. What?
That thing is sweet, man.
People around my neighborhood. What the heck? Oh yeah, the gray one's new.
Oh.
They live right next to each other. Yeah, that's sweet.
It's awesome.
Awesome. Man, there's some car people around here.
Yes.
There's some really good car people around here. Yeah, this is gonna be us for the next couple miles. Teaching my cousin how to drive stick in the super fabulous 1994 Mazda Miata. It's a fun car. Today we just did sway bar, oil change, diff fluid change. We did spark plugs, coil plug wires. It's running a lot smoother than it did before. Now we're just gonna enjoy it.
Oh yeah, look, I got my spectacles on. Dude.
Woo! Now you can actually see it. Oh, I wish I had a wider lens, dude. This car is just that small.
Gotta put safety as number one priority.
Alright. We are ready. Ugh.
Oh god.
Okay. Oh, not again. Oh man.
What are you talking about, dude? I'm professional. I'm ready for the
big leagues, dude. You ready for the big leagues?
I am the big leagues.
Little jerk. Oh.
Stop means stop. I am.
Dude, stop. Dude, this is for real though. This car is a meme, dude.
Look at this. Mine's better. Shut up. I'm better.
He doesn't realize what we got, dude.
And we got 100 powers of the horse.
We did spark plug wires, oil change, trans changes on the way, diff fluid change. We threw in a new sway bar. It rides so much better now. Up next, steering wheel.